आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Here question says that let a vector t defined as the here is the g1 t plus g2 tj, and where t belongs to 0 to 1. Here given that f1, f2, g1, g2 are continuous functions and v vector are non-zero vectors for all t and a plus 3j, and a1 given that the 6i plus 3i plus 2j, and b1 given that the 2i plus 6j, then show that vector for some. So let's solve. So here given that the a vector at, so here given a vector t is equals to f1 t I, f2 t j. Okay, the value of a0, we can say that it will be that is f1 0 I plus f2 0 j. Now compare with the equation here given in this question that a equals to 2i plus 3j. We can say that the value of f1 0 is equals to 2 and value of f2 0 is equals to what? 3. Okay. So similarly here given that a1, if we find the a1 value, a of 1, a vector 1. So here that is f1 1, okay, I plus f2 1, sorry, okay, 1 j. Okay, so here we can say that the value 1. Now compare with the equation here is the a1 value is 6, so we can here say that the 6, and similarly here given that vector b vector here that g1 t I plus t j. So we can say that the value of b vector 0 is equals to g1 0 j. So we can say that the value of and 3i plus 2 here will be the 2j. Okay, so it will be the value of g1 0 is g1 3. Okay, and value of g1 0 g2 here will be the g2. Okay, g2 0 is the that is 2. Okay, now similarly we can say that the g1 1 is the what, and g2 1 is the 6. Okay, so this is the form. Now in question given that we have to show that the a and b and parallel. So condition for a vector and b vector are parallel, it means their slope will be equals. We can say that the slope of a is equals to slope of b. Okay, this is the condition. So if we put here value, so we can say that f2 t f1 t is equals to the g2 t upon, and say that if we multiply cross multiplication, so f2 t into g1 g2 t and f1 t. Okay, so point, if we take h, let here is the any point is h of t. Okay, now this can be written as that is f2 t g1 t minus g2 t f1 t. Okay, so let's say now we can say that if we find the h of 0 from here that is f2 so g1 0 minus that is g2 0 and f1 0. Now put here value, so the value will be that is, if we put here, so it will be 3 into 3 minus 2 into 2, the value will be 5. Okay, and similarly if we put, so we get that that is 2 into 2 and minus G2, G21 value is the 6. Okay, here the G21 value F1 value is the F1 value is 6, so it will be 6, so it will be minus 32. Okay, so and given that F1, F2, G1, G2 are the continuous function, that means we can say that the continuous, and this will be any point, it will be 0. For any point it will be 0. So we can say that the for some points, for some points, some points t belongs to 0 to 1. Okay, and we can say that the h of t 0. Okay, so this h of t 0, we can say that the if h of t is 0, so we can say that the this equation is also this is also will be equals to the 0. Okay, so if this equation will be equals to 0, if this equation will be equals to 0, so we can say that the this condition is true, this condition is true. Now if this true, so this is also true, so we can say that the vector A and B are parallel to each other. Okay, this is what we have proven. Okay, thank you so much.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।